4-minute haircut, let's do it. Let's start with the number 2 guard, open. We're gonna remove some bulk. We're gonna leave a little bit of hair just so we can blend in with the clipper over comb. When doing a clipper over comb, you wanna make sure your comb's always angled at least a 45 degree. And on this one, we're not looking to doing another guideline. We're just looking to blend in what we already did with the number 2 onto the long hair as much as possible. Like I've mentioned before, this is one of my favorite parts of the fade, is creating the first guideline. And a lot of people start at the bottom, a lot of people start at the top like I'm doing right now. It's all preference, it's all gonna give you the same effect on the fade, I guess you could say. As long as you're able to take out that bottom bald line with your trimmers or your clippers, whatever you're using, your face should look phenomenal. I must have never pressed record when doing the guideline right here, but we're gonna have our lever all the way open and we're gonna do about 1/2 inch just because we don't have a whole lot of room to work with the fade. But make sure you always flick out. It's very important to flick out. Using the trigger play method, we're gonna take our clipper, we're gonna close it all the way, go in between, open it up, whatever it takes to get rid of this bottom line. And you gotta make sure you're flicking out. I know in the video it doesn't look like it, but I am flicking out. And whatever you do not go past the guideline that we created with our lever open. A lot of people don't like to use the 1.5 guard, but to me it's one of my favorite guards and it helps you out a lot. So using this guard all the way open, all the way closed, we're gonna create a slight guideline just to be able to blend in with our number 1 guard, like I'm about to do right here. And on the 1 guard, you're gonna have it closed most of the way just to really take out the bottom line. And if not, we'll go back in with our 1/2 and just get rid of it completely. Going back in with my number 2 guard all the way open. We do have a heavy spot, so I'm just gonna try to blend in as much as possible before going in with my clipper over comb again and just trying to really get this thing finalized. I'm not no master in styling hair, but we are using my blow dryer just to blow this hair back, and just it's kind of the original shape he goes for anyway. And then just throw a little bit of product on there. I like to use matte paste on him. It works very well, and you'll see the final result. Let me know what you guys think about the finished product. I do appreciate any feedback, so whatever you guys do think, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all.